Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm excited about my new low-cost online creative writing workshops. With writing short stories, tips and advice, this video session will guide you through the basic structure of creating a short story. I'll also take you through a couple of simple exercises to help you create a path you can follow while writing your story. With Finding Inspiration, a series of videos will take you through 7 simple creative writing exercises. At the end of the workshop, you'll have a handful of story ideas that you can work upon in your own time. I'll also offer a few tips on how you can develop your ideas to create a short story. Here's some feedback from those who've already taken part. So head to my workshop page for all the details and start writing with me.